Welcome back, students. So today we are going to solve 12 marks problem of retirement chapter. So if you can open your page to your question bank, that is the second problem I will solve. Radha, Sheila, Meena. Okay, so this is the balance sheet given. The old ratio is given as 3:2:1 and old balance sheet is given. Okay, Sheila retires. Whenever this word retires is there, you are going to solve like this 12 marks problem, compulsory. Then they have given adjustment. Okay, this is very similar to your admission problems. Plus, just write the heading in the books of Radha, Sheila, Meena. Okay, for admission problems also you can write in the books of the three partners' name. Now write revaluation account, debit, credit, particulars amount rupees, particulars amount rupees. As usual, we will see our adjustments. This goodwill we will not see because it will come in partners capital account. Expenses owing to be brought down to 3,750. So expenses is brought down. ಅಂದರೆ ಖರ್ಚುಗಳು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. Whenever your expenses came down ಅಂದರೆ you are going to write it in your credit side. Why? It is a gain. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚುಗಳು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. Your expenses has come down. So you are going to write in the credit side. So what is the amount you will write? What was expenses earlier? See, it was 45,000, sorry, 4,500, isn't it? So inner column only, just write 4,500. See how I'm writing here. 4,500 minus, now how much it seems? 2. Whenever the word 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗ I told you should always minus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ by ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ direct amount ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. But here 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 3,750 you have to minus. If the word buy was there, direct amount you would have written. But the word 2 is there, you will minus it. When you minus this both, you will get, yes, 750. Please use your calculator. Okay, expenses has come down. So you have written in the credit side. Now, machinery and loose tools are valued at 10% less than the book value. Less than the book value. Yes, your machinery and loose tools are assets. Our value has come down, less agide, so it is loss. Loss ella we will write in the debit side. Yes, I will tell this once again. Machinery and loose tools adu assets are valued at 10% less andre your assets has come down, andre you are going to write in the debit side, because always expenses, loss we are writing in the debit side, gain we are writing in the credit side. Okay, expenses idu, other expenses has come down, so I have written in the credit side. So ಈಗ machinery what you will write 10% ante. What is the machinery value nodi? Value of machinery ಏನಿದೆ? Yes, 8,000. Yes, 8,000 ಗೆ 10% ಮಾಡಿ. So how you will do this? See how I am doing here. 8,000, please write 8,000 into 10% andre 10 upon 100. So when you multiply you will get, yes, 800. Yes, loose tools also. What is the loose tools value? Please see in the question. Yes, 4,000. 4,000 into 10%, 10 upon 100. When you multiply, you will get, correct, 400. Yes, next one. Factory premises are to be revalued at 24,300. Factory premises revalue agide 24,300. Earlier value ಏನಿತ್ತು check ಮಾಡಿ. Factory premises 22,500. Now it is 24,300. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ ಯು ಅಸೆಟ್, ಅದರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದು ಗೇನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಿಮೈಸಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 24,300 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ? ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಾಸ್ 22,500. ಇದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. This is a new value, revalued agide. So value has increased. Increase agide andre I am writing in the credit side. Why? Whenever your assets increase, you will write in the credit side. If your assets decreased id nodi, you are writing in the debit side. Less anta koಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, so I wrote in the debit side. So minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 1,800. Now balance ಮಾಡಿ both the side. When you balance both the side, it will come. Use your calculator, please. Yes. That is 2,550. Okay, now you have to give it in the ratio. What is the ratio? Yes, check. 3:2:1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. 2 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ 3:2:1. ಸೊ ರಾಧಾದು 3/6. 6 ಹೇಗೆ 3, 4, 5, 6. Sheila 2/6 and Meena is 1/6. When you multiply, you will get here. Please multiply. Your balancing amount will come 1,350. That is 2,550 minus 800 minus 400 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿ. 1350 into 3/6 ಮಾಡಿ. Like this, I'll multiply and show. 1360 will give you 375. This into 136 will give you 450. Here 225. Please write here. Okay, so what did I do here? Expenses has come down. Down ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚುಗಳು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. It is gain. I have written here. Machinery, tools or assets has become less. ನಿಮ್ಮ assets has become less. ಇದು expense. ಇದು assets has become less ಅಂದ್ರೆ loss. You will write in the debit side. Next, factory premises revalued. Factory ಅದು asset. Now value is this. Old value kinta it has become more. So it is a gain. Okay. Yes. So now revaluation account is done. Now we are going to do partners capital account. Partners capital account, write the format please. Debit, credit. Radha, Sheila, Meena, rupees. Here particulars please write. Then Radha, Sheila, Meena, rupees. First step in partners capital account is buy balance brought down. ಯಾವುದು amount? ಈ amount ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15,000 right. Balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ please copy and write. See how I'm writing 15,000 for all. Yes. Next revaluation account. ಈ amount ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ here debit side profit ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು you're going to write here. Buy revaluation account. Please copy it and write. ಇದೇ amount. So 675. Then it is 450. It was 450. Okay. Then 225. Fine. Yes. Now what is there? See, just check in the balance sheet. General reserve is there. Yes, general reserve 13,500. Yes, it is in the debit side here. It will come here. Buy general reserve. Amount eshtu 13,500. You will give it in the old ratio. What is the old ratio? 3:2:1. Yes, I hope you know to give this. Just show here. That is 13,500 into 3:2:1. That means 3/3, 4, 5, 6. That will be the Radha share. 13,500 into 3/6 month. You will get here. That is 6,750. Then for Sheila the share is what? Same. 13,500 into 2/6 ಮಾಡಿ. Sheila the share ಇದು. When you do 2/6 you will get 4,500. Yes. Next again 13,500 into 1/6 ಮಾಡಿ. 1 is Meena's share. So you will get 2,250. Okay. Yes. Is there any profit and loss account ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Now next important treatment is goodwill. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 13,500 and written off. Whenever this word written off ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ admission time ಅಲ್ಲಿ what we used to do? Just remember that is buy goodwill account to goodwill account. Yes, that is partners capital account letter to goodwill account, buy goodwill account. So right, buy goodwill account. What is the ratio? Old ratio 3:2:1. Amount ಏನಿದೆ goodwill ಇದು, that is also same 13,500. Yes, same 13,500 ಇದೆ. It is similar to your amount of reserve, general reserve. So same amount actually. Okay, this is also 13,500 ratio also same. So share ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Similar amount ಕೂಡ same ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, calculation will be same. So 13,500 into 3 divided by 6. 6 ಏಕೆ 3, 4, 5, 6. That will give you 6,750. Then 13,500 into 2/6 month. That is Sheila's share will give you 4,500. 13,500 into 1/6 madi. That will is Meena's share. That is 250. Yes. Okay. Now written off ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ entry will come here. Always remember, written off ಅಂದ್ರೆ by goodwill account and here to goodwill. Yes, account mode of writing by goodwill to goodwill. Yes, but here you have to give only to the continuing partners. Yes, you are giving it to the continuing partners. Yes, okay. So see here how I'm doing. 13,500, but you are giving it only to the continuing partners. Now see, 3 partners were there, Radha, Sheila and Meena. Ratio was 3:2:1. Who retires here? Yes, that is Sheila retires, isn't it? Okay, Sheila retires, so this person is gone. So who are remaining? That is Radha and Meena are remaining. Ratio ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 3:1. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಕೊಡುವ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಸಿ ಟು goodwill you have to give only to Radha and Meena because Sheila is retired. Sheila business ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, so ratio will be 3:1 at this new ratio. How that ratio came? Number old ratio ಇತ್ತು ಏನು 3:2:1. Sheila retires, so 3:1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, give it now. Goodwill 13,500 into 3 divided by 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. How 4? 3 plus 1 4. Yes, okay. Yes, so do it in the calculator. 13,500 into 3 divided by 4, that will be, yes, 10,125. Sheila ge illa because Sheila retires, our business ali illa. Then 13,500 into 1 divided by 4. 4 ake 3 plus 1 4, so that will give you 3,375. Fine, that much only. Here only remember, written off ಮಾಡುವಾಗ to goodwill ಗೆ only to the continuing partners, retiring partner ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. And in revaluation account you have to give profits to all the 3 persons. Admissionally we used to give only to 2 persons, but here you should give it to all the 3 partners. Okay, yes. Now balance ಮಾಡಿ. Total do on 3 side. Highest will be, yes, debit side definitely many items in there, so it is more. So it is, see, 29,175, then 24,450, then 19,725. Same, you will write here 29,175, 24,450, 19,725. So ರಾಧಾಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಡು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 29,175. ಸೊ 29,175 ಮೈನಸ್ 10,125 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 19,050. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಡೌನಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಈಗ ಶೀಲಾದು ವಿಲ್ಡು, ಶೀಲಾದು ಫುಲ್ ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ 15 ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 24,450. 24,450 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ 24,550 ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಶೀಲಾಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶೀಲಾ ಇಸ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 24,450 ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ಶೀಲಾಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಮೀನಾಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು 19,725. ಸೊ 19,725 minus 3,375 you will get, yes, that is 16,350. Continuing partners ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ Radha and Meena, you will carry it down. Yes, so write it by balance brought down, that is 19,050. idilla, that is, yes, 16,350. Only Sheila is retired alla, you have to transfer it to Sheila's loan account. Remember, remaining continuing partners in the balance carried down. Yes, so goodwill treatment what I give, by goodwill account to all the partners, then to goodwill account only to the continuing partners, retiring partner ige illa. Yes, so amount will be 3:1. Okay, thank you.